Hello everyone, I'm physiotherapist Erkam Güler. Today I will show you some very effective exercises to relieve the weight on your lower back. I will demonstrate 5 exercises. These exercises are especially effective for relieving muscle spasms, tension and nerve pressure that occur around the lower back. These exercises will only take 10 minutes of your time for at least 2 weeks. Doing them twice a day will bring you great relief. Because our lower back is the part of the spine that bears the most load, it is very important to do these exercises regularly to relieve both the pressure and muscle spasms in this area. If you're ready, let's move on to the exercises now. Now let's start with our first movement. Lie down on your back. Bend your knees, and holding both knees with your hands, slowly pull them toward your abdomen. You will feel a slight stretch in your lower back area. Stay in this position for about 10 seconds, breathing calmly in and out. And I want you to do this movement in the same way, counting to 10 for a total of 10 repetitions. This movement especially helps to reduce the pressure between the lumbar vertebrae. It is a very relaxing exercise for those with early stage lumbar hernia, lower back stiffness, or tightness due to prolonged sitting. We can perform it in a controlled manner without reaching the pain threshold. Now we move on to our second exercise. One of our legs remains straight on the ground. We lift the other leg upward without bending the knee. If we can reach, we hold the back of the thigh. If we can't reach, we can use a towel for support. Here, our hamstring muscles, that is the muscles at the back of the thigh, are being stretched. Short hamstrings are one of the most important causes of lower back pain. We hold this position for 10 seconds and do not hold our breath. Then we move on to the other leg. In the same way, after counting to 10 seconds, we can do the movement for 10 repetitions. In our next movement, we are stretching our performance muscle, one of the deep hip muscles. We bend one leg at the knee and place it over the other knee. We pull the lower leg towards our chest. We will feel a stretch in the back part of the hip. Since the performance muscle is close to the sciatic nerve, tension in this area can cause sciatic-like pain. This exercise helps to reduce the pressure in that area. In this movement as well, we wait for about 10 seconds. After releasing, we do the same with the other leg for 10 seconds, and we repeat this movement a total of 10 times. Now we are doing an exercise that increases lower back mobility. Our knees are bent and the soles of our feet are on the floor. We slowly let both knees fall together to the left side. Our shoulders do not lift off the ground. We wait here for about 10 seconds. We will feel a relaxation in the lower back and side body muscles. After waiting for 10 seconds, we bring our legs back to the center in a controlled manner and then move them to the other side. This movement increases the rotational capacity of the lumbar spine and helps reduce muscle spasms. We can also hold this movement for about 10 seconds, feel the stretch, and then do 10 repetitions on each side. Our last movement is for the hip capsule and internal rotation. One of our legs is extended straight. We bend the other knee and gently lower it inward in a controlled manner. Here we should feel a stretch in the hip joint and the inner muscle groups. Hip mobility is very important for lower back health. If the hip does not move enough, the load is transferred to the lower back. In this position, we hold where we feel the stretch for about 20 seconds, then switch to the other side. After holding for 20 seconds on each side, we can do the movements for 5 repetitions. Yes, that's all for today's exercises. While doing the exercises, try to pay special attention to the points I specifically mentioned. And as I said at the very beginning, if you do the exercises regularly, at least twice a day for 2 weeks, I'm sure you'll see great benefits. If you want to see more scientific, health-based content like this, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I wish you all happy and healthy days. Goodbye.